How to fix LimeWire for Mac not uninstalling. Here is a script file that you can use to uninstall LimeWire from Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall LimeWire #check if LimeWire is installed. If d/application/LimeWire, then echo LimeWire is not installed. Exit 1fi #delete the LimeWire folder rmrf/application/LimeWire #delete the LimeWire icon from the doc osascript delete alias LimeWire from doc #delete the LimeWire preference file rmrf/library/preferences/com.limewire.limewire.plist. #restart your computer reboot to use this script, save it as a file called uninstall-limewire.sh and then run it from a terminal window. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.